Hi, fit like, and welcome to the AC Helicam YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new DJI Ronin RS2. The new DJI Ronin S2 from DJI. Let's go. Welcome to the channel, as I said, and we're doing the unboxing of the DJI RS2. Now I do have the old SC model, and I bought this for the Canon R camera, which has been out for a couple of years now. Really enjoyed it, works well in the SC, but I'm changing our various elements and how we do our business and the gear we use. So currently I use the Canon C100 Mark IIs. We've got a couple of those. Now they're paired up with the Atomus Ninja Star, and that gives a really good image. Very pleased with the camera. The only problem with the C100 Mark IIs are they only film in 1080p. They don't do 4K. We're moving on to the Canon RS6. Tied up with this, so what we're going to be doing in the future is we're going to have a couple of Canon RS6s tied up with the Atomus Ninja 5 or V, whatever you want to call it, and then we're going to tie it up onto the RS2. I was going to do an unboxing of the Canon R6, but as yet haven't received it yet, so we're still waiting. So please distributors, please get them out as soon as you can for the UK. So, without further ado, let's get this opened. So, DJI always package their gear really well. So let's just open this up and have a look. And it's got the usual cellophane or plastic cover on the boxes, whatever you want to call it. So let's get rid of that first of all. And let's see what this is. So, we all need that. Let's open the packaging, open up the box, and we don't need that packaging anymore. Pull out the case. We have manuals, we have more manuals, and nothing else in the box, so we don't need the box. So the instructions manuals, we'll keep this to one side, we don't need it at the moment, and we don't need this at the moment as well. So this is the case here. It comes in a well packaged case. The old SC and the original S came in packages like this. So this wasn't very user friendly for, it was okay for packaging, but not for really taking on shoots. So this is a welcome change. So the quality of the material is good. And what else do we have? Double zips, which are good, so that should be good for weatherproofing. Cover in here. Let's open up the pack itself. Let's see what there is. So, some more packaging, we don't need that. So, various things to look at in here. So let's open the first zip. So what we have first of all is the follow focus motor. We have the gear ring for the follow focus. We have, what's in here? Let's rip it open and find out. That's the connection for attaching the motor. This is also part of a connection for the motor. Here we go. It's a tube that attaches to there. And here we have, it looks like a riser plate. Let's have a look. It's not keen to let me in. Well, we'll soon sort that. There. Open it up. What do we have? Yes, it's a riser plate. Very similar to the other previous model, so it helps bring the lens back out of the way. The next side, what do we have here? So, this is the Raven Eye. Excellent, very good review, so we'll go over that later. Various connections again here, and here we have the lens strap. So this is which will help support the strap, support the lens to the gimbal and make everything really compact and neat. So what else do we have here? Here we have the tripod feet, lightweight but aluminium construction, or alloy construction anyway. Looks very sturdy. And we have, here we have the plate, including the Acra Swiss connection, and when we do the setting up video for the RS2, we'll show you how that works really well, and that's looked to be very well made. We then have the mobile phone attachment for it, for attaching your phone to a monitor, and then here we have the grip, battery grip itself, and so this is, you can actually charge the battery itself here without having to be onto the, but again we'll have to charge it up to get it to work. And then we have, looks like, the briefcase mode handle, and again we'll set that up there. So that's everything in the top half, so let's have a look in the bottom half. We unzip it here, open it up, some more packaging which we don't need, another zip pocket here. Let's have a look to see what's in here. So we have various cables, so you should have a cable here that will fit your camera somehow. What else is in here? More cables by the looks of things. Yep, more cables, USB-Cs, etc. So there. And then coming on to the gimbal itself. And that's all there is to it. So let's get rid of this case itself. So here we go. This is the RS2 main compartment. So as you see, as compared to the, if you compare it to the S, it's the original S, this has got locking on the arms here, which is far better. Weight of it, the arms themselves feel light, but the base bit here is different. It's, well, there's a protective cover here, we can take that off, and then it shows all the various elements here. There's also another cover here, we'll take that off. And then what this allows you to do is snap in the handle, turn that to lock it. There we go, that's it locked there. So what do we have? We have a touch screen here, and we'll go over that in more detail. Then the tripod will screw in to the base. And there we go. One DJI RS2. As you'd expect, well made, very good quality components in the whole arm itself. It's fairly light. So that's the unboxing. Subscribe to the channel to get notifications of the follow-up videos, because what we're going to do, as I said, is we're going to, once the RS6 comes, we're going to do an unboxing of the R6. We're then going to attach the R6 and the gimbal together using the Atomos Ninja 5, and subsequently we'll then have a total setup, and then we'll explain how we're going to then move forward. So what we're going to do for our shows and live events, etc., and corporate work, is that we're going to use the R6, the Ninja 5 and the RS2 together, and we're expecting good things with this setup. It'll make us far more leaner equipment wise, because we won't have the C100 Mark IIs, we won't have the heavy tripods that goes with it. So it'll just make things far easier and more effective to move around, get the shots we need, and recording onto the Ninja 5. That will mean the edited footage will be easier to do, because the formats that the Ninja 5 records direct out from the R6 into that makes it far easier to edit. It'll be edited in Premiere Pro, but as far as I understand, we can either record it onto ProRes or the other codec there, or we can record direct onto the Avid codec there, the DNX whatever it is. Good codec. I've used it on the Ninja Star before. Gives you very good elements there. So anyway, that's everything for the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it interesting and usable, and look forward to seeing you for the next videos where we go over the other elements as well. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like buttons, and hope to see you soon. Bye now.